Hello, today I kind of decided to downgrade from literal laser tag to what quote-unquote laser tag systems actually use, which is infrared LED emitters and detectors. The emitter is this clear fellow right here that's shining in the camera. It's not visible to the naked eye, but camera chips are able to detect it. We have our black detector LED right here, which lets current flow when it detects infrared light. And we have our display. Now, when you just have the infrared LED hanging around the detector, it doesn't really do anything. But when you aim it directly at the detector, it turns on. So this would be a good system for having a more pinpoint sort of shooting accuracy, but can increase the sort of fudge factor by probably having like a reflective cone around it to funnel the infrared light in. And infrared LEDs, it's the same way your TV remotes communicate to your television. By pulsing the infrared LED, the television picks it up, and depending on the pulse, it'll change the channel, or turn off the TV or whatever. But the plan is to do a sort of Raspberry Pi system using, I think I have them over here. These are chips that allow for expanding the Raspberry Pi inputs to up to, it's about 8 of these, which has 8 inputs apiece, so it brings it up to about 64 inputs, which would be more than enough to detect infrared and display the LEDs to make a nice Raspberry Pi based camera system, so can do all sorts of fancy things like print out score sheets and all that sort of fun stuff. But that is probably still a year or so away from trying to code that. I'm still working on getting the actual giant robot to work. So that is all for today, and so be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.